you need an NFT? Why do you need to use this kind of technology in order to do what people are already doing for customers already?
That was literally the question that people asked me about the internet. Why would you need to buy wine on a computer? I can go to the store. When you do an NFT, you can put things into the contract. So Lou's Pizza Shop can issue NFTs and make 1,000 tokens, right? The regular pizza pictures just give you a 10% discount. The gold one gives you unlimited free pizza. After 6 months, if they've had enough pizza or they move, can sell it on the blockchain. Lou gets a royalty on that transaction because you can put royalty contracts under these NFTs. He keeps making financials on the back end of the royalty. So for every small business, every personality, every intellectual property, the token is also a marketing collateral. The way everybody in business needs a social media account to be relevant in 2021 is the same way in 2025 everyone's going to need a NFT strategy.
I agree. We are right now at the creator economy era where you should, as a company, build, not hire a few people to take care of your social media, but you should build an entire department, maybe even your should be your biggest department in your filled with social media influencers who you hired in to do your social media's profiles. And the new thing that's coming now is the NFTs, which many have said that it has crashed, and it has for some part, but it's still growing a lot. And in the future, we will see that the NFTs is gonna be the new internet, like Gary says. Let's say you have this pizza shop, as the example in the video, and you have this 1,000 tokens, and one of the tokens gives you a free pizza, unlimited pizza. A second one, or maybe two of them, gives you 50% off. The rest, 997 tokens, is 10% off. Whenever a customer don't want to use that token anymore, they move or they don't like pizza anymore, they want to go on a diet for the rest of their life, then they can sell that token. And let's say they sell that token for free unlimited pizza for, I don't know, $5,000. Then it's built in the system, in the platform where it sells, where it needs to be sold. It cannot be sold anywhere else. That Lou's Pizza, the owner of Lou's Pizza, will get 1% commission of that sale. So if the sales for $5,000, that's $50 each time it's sold. It may not be a lot, but let's say you have these 1,000 tokens who sells over time a few a day, then you will get that revenue, that commission 1% each time it sells. And if you have even bigger pizza, if you have even a bigger business than a pizza place, then you can see it's gonna explode, because you may put the NFT on a house, and each time the house sells, you get 1% of that sale. You can have, let's say, if McDonald's does it, they'll put out 1 million tokens, and every time that token exchange hands, like a Pokemon card, we exchange hands, then the McDonald's owners will get a 1% sale. If you have a clothing company and you own 10 brands across the country, then you make a lot of NFTs. Every time the customer sell one NFTs, because they don't need that NFT for a certain event, which is a ticket for a certain event, or they don't want to use you buy clothes anymore, so they don't need the discount, then they'll sell it, and the owners, you of the clothing brand, will get that 1% or 2% or whatever commission you have set in the contract, and that is NFT. And you can also compare it if you're a gamer on Fortnite, for example, or on CSGO, you buy skins. The skin doesn't make you better. The skin just is a digital collectible which alters how you look in the game. And it's the same with NFT. It's just a picture. It's just a digital asset which people pay a ton of money for in CSGO, and on Fortnite, people pay real money, V-Bucks, for that collectible. That is NFT. Now we just have a word for NFC